Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm on real quick to share my altered playing card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I have her link down below. I'm not sure if she's going to do this next year, but I hope she is because I may be continuing on. And I love doing these ATCs or, playing cards. I love doing them. They're so much fun. So this is week 49 and we're almost done, but I think I'm going to continue on. Hopefully she'll continue this open collaboration. So because this is the first week of December, sorry, I'm already thinking January already. Isn't that terrible? But anyway, so since we're in the month of December, I busted out my stickers, and this is a gift tag. And what I did, and I'm going to leave this little string on here. I think it just adds a little something to the card. I covered it with some paper from Hobby Lobby, and it's just this distressed, almost like candy cane paper, and it's really distressed and everything. And then I inked the edges. I tore the corners of the paper, and I just love doing that because you can see the playing card in the background. So I glued this card. It's a gift card, and I bought them, gosh, it's been years, at Tuesday Morning, and these are the two Santas that are in this pack. And I wanted to start using my stuff, and I also used a little sticker, this little cardinal, and it's so sparkly. Even the card is sparkly too. Oh, well, it has a little glare, I'm sorry. But it does sparkle. You can definitely see the sparkle on the cardinal. And it is from this old pack of Jolie's Boutique. I believe I got it at Michael's. They were selling a whole bunch of their stickers for cheap, and I have 2 packages of this, and I need to use them. And then inside, I just have another sticker that says, "Have yourself a Merry Little Christmas," and I might write something here, maybe not, I don't know. But I just love how that looked. And that sticker came from an old Target sticker pack. I don't even know when I got this. I haven't been to Target in a while, but I have so much of their holiday stickers and things like that I really don't need anymore, to be honest. So that's what I put in the inside, and I just love how that turned out. He's so cute. Look. So this is my for week 49 for Deck the Year. I want to thank Penny for this open collaboration. This has made me create every single week, and I just absolutely love it. And it also made me, create, and that's what I wanted to do this year, and it has made me continue to create even when I was super busy. So I want to thank her for this open collaboration. I hope she continues with it because I am going to continue making them. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.